What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and this is a viewer requested video. You guys asked me specifically about what happens if you're the winning bidder and an insurance company or somebody doesn't want to take, individual seller doesn't want to take it. What happens? Well, today we're gonna talk about this Ferrari 488 Pista. Hope I said that right. Pista. That's at COPART. Now, I don't know. I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not a Ferrari guy. I don't know a lot about Ferrari. But the buy it now price on the car is $245,000. It's kind of high considering the damage that's going on with it. But unlike the Bugatti Chiron, which we recently went and put hands on, this car is rebuildable, meaning it could be put back on a street here in the United States, be driven, and you probably could sell it and get most of your money back out of it, right? Now, what happens is if a seller doesn't accept a bid, they'll counter bid you, and if you don't accept that, it goes back up for auction, like it is again this week. This is week number 5 that this has been up there, and it's currently sitting at $51,000 is the current bid on the car, with a buy it now, like I said, at $245,000. Now we're going to go ahead and take a look at it here, and we'll also look at the damage, the pictures and whatnot of the vehicle, so you can see just how bad or how good, it's beauty's in the eye of the beholder, right? This car actually is. So roll it. All right, guys, so here is the 2019 Ferrari 488 Pista. You can see the relevant VIN number and build date here. The interior on this thing is actually pretty clean, looking like they were able to keep this thing pretty well sealed up. You can take a look at the engine compartment here. And then, let's swipe over here. Another look at the car. Now, from this side, the car looks absolutely great, right? Looking at the interior, man, clean. I actually like the little yellow tubing, pipe tubing around the interior and whatnot. Looks kind of clean. And then this, this is what we really need to look at. This is the damage. Now, some people have hit me up and said, TK, I think that's really just cosmetic. There's some structural stuff in there for sure. And I guarantee you there's some sensors and some components and some other crap that broke from that collision. There's no way. And then taking a look at it a little further back, you can see it a little bit better here. But, I don't know, man. But for all the YouTubers that are looking at purchasing the Bugatti Chiron down in Florida, this is a vehicle that could actually be purchased and put back on the road as it is. Like, not as it is. You'd have to rebuild it, get the title rebuilt. But looking at this thing, not really bad. So if it is something that you want to follow along like I am or watch and you are interested, there is the lot number. You got a 2020 Ferrari 488 Pista, and you can see the build date when it was manufactured in 2019. So there you have it. That is the cheapest Ferrari 488 that you could possibly get your hands on in the United States right now, at least of that trim level of 488 Pista. But with that said, what do you guys think about it? I know I've said I was going to do this before, and I think maybe I'll get into it and I'll do a tutorial on how to bid and things of that nature and how to get signed up and all that, which, by the way, if you want to sign up and you're not waiting for a tutorial and you're just like, I want to be able to sign up so I can bid on some of these cars, Link is in the description down below. Copart.com/TK's Garage will allow you to go in, sign up. You'll have all the same access that I do, which will allow you to bid on cars, try to win cars. You can even sign up as a seller if you want to list a car. So, yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And do you think the price at the buy it now part on this Ferrari 488 is too high? Because me, personally, with that damage and knowing like everything as far as just getting parts now for anything, man, it's really put a strain on the rebuild community. Never mind your local dealer. Could you imagine having to buy all those parts for that Ferrari at a dealer? Whew, man. Anywho's, that's going to do it for today's video. Before we go, though, I got to give a major shout out to today's sponsor of today's video. Again, it's Mint Mobile. Mint Mobile is the great wireless service that you can prepay for, and $90 gets you 3 months of totally unlimited service. That's unlimited hotspot, data, calls, text, all on the T-Mobile 5G network. That's right, 5G service, unlimited, for basically $30 a month. You can go ahead and click the link in the description down below for Mint Mobile and get a SIM card shipped out to you for nada, zero. They're going to send you a pack. You get 2 SIM cards. You get to try the service out for a day, see if it works where you're at, see if it works good for you. And then if you like it and it works for you, then what you do is just hit that activate button and slap in that second SIM card and keep it moving. Like I do. Mint Mobile powers me as I travel. I do live streams and everything on that network. And I truly appreciate them sponsoring the channel. With that said, guys, thank you guys very much for watching. I truly appreciate it. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.